so much better because now you are here. Welcome aboard. I want you to know, on the keys and the vocals from Chicago, Illinois, give it up for Mr. Ian Bolt. On the lead guitar and the vocals, coming to you from Dallas, Texas, give it up for Mr. Jamison Lloyd. Back there on the bass guitar, from Nashville, Tennessee, give it up for Mr. Giancarlo Martinez. And behind us on the drums, the vocals, the percussion, coming to you all the way from North Carolina, he is our musical director. Give it up for Mr. Dario McDuffie.
Oh yeah, thank you so much. On guitar, main vocals, the main man himself. Make some noise all the way from Baltimore, Brian Gray.
So the important question, we gonna see you tomorrow, right? Say yeah!